because I often dance when I paint. So, I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain. I titled the painting behind me, Purple Rain, in celebration of Prince and his musical career. And this painting is a great example of how many different forms of human creative expression inspire me and move me to create in my own way, which is visual in its painting, and in this case it's acrylic painting. So I want to dive deeper, closer, and look at this painting and examine the brush strokes and the acrylic painting techniques that I used to create it. And I want to show you why this painting resonates so well with the song Purple Rain by Prince. And let me guide you to the purple rain. This is a line from the song Purple Rain by Prince, and I titled this painting Purple Rain, both because it resonates with the song in terms of the lyrics and the arrangement, the instruments. I know times are changing. It's time we all reach out for something new that means you too. And so what you're seeing here is the circles, they represent raindrops. And underneath that rain that's pouring down, you see these brushstrokes that are all very different. And they represent the different variations, versions we have been, we could be, we will still become. And they're all very different. I mean, for example, if we look at this one closer, this is a beautiful rainbow, very vibrant, vivid colors. And there's something next to it, very dramatic. It could be another version. And then something that's like very intricate, complex purples. And then there's something that looks kind of like a sunrise, sunset rainbow. And so what's really neat about the abstract acrylic painting techniques that I used here, from the large brush strokes where I was basically mixing the colors in the bowl and on the canvas, and then the circles, they have that industrial, spontaneous street art look to it. And yet overall the painting is elegant. There's an elegance in this painting. So overall, that's what I wanted to show you as far as the painting goes. But I would love to hear your interpretation of this painting and how it speaks to you, and especially how it also kind of connects the songs, the lyrics, the melody with this visual representation of the song Purple Rain. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Also, I will be launching an abstract acrylic painting online course in the fall this year. And if you would like to get notified when that goes live, please subscribe to my newsletter. You can see the link in my YouTube channel. Additionally, I will be doing more Instagram live streams where I invite you to join me virtually in my studio, and you can see me, in real time creating some of the pieces you will see throughout the year in, tutorials. So for that, just follow me on Instagram, and I would love to see you join. Before I go, I would love to give a huge shout out to everyone who has reached out to me. There are so many people that followed my tutorials and they created their own versions of the pieces I made, and they sent me photographs of their pieces and just were so nice. And I love just feeling this global community community of creators and creatives, and it means a lot. So thank you for reaching out to me. Thank you for following my tutorials, and just keep them coming. I would love to stay in touch. I would love to hear from you. So definitely get in touch with me. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.